Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Jio Finance app without a bank account. First, download the Jio Finance app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and begin the registration process using your active mobile number. You will then need to complete a quick identity verification step, typically requiring a valid government-issued identification document. This ensures your account is secure and ready for use. After setting up your account, you'll need to fund your Jio wallet. You can easily add money using various methods like UPI, a debit card, or even net banking. For those who prefer cash, visit any authorized Jio store to deposit funds directly into your wallet. Remember, there might be a maximum wallet balance, often around $1,000, so keep that in mind when adding funds. Now that your wallet is funded, you can start making transactions. Use your Jio wallet to conveniently recharge your mobile, pay utility bills, or even subscribe to various services. Many merchants accept Jio wallet payments via QR code scans, making cashless transactions simple and fast. You can also send money to friends and family who use Jio wallet, with transfers happening instantly. Using Jio Finance without a traditional bank account offers incredible convenience and security for your daily transactions. You can easily track your spending, manage your budget, and keep a close eye on your financial activities all within the app. It's a fantastic way to embrace digital payments. Also, for a fresh car, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get started.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.